All right, so today we are going to take the story ahead. And yesterday we had finished it till page number 22, I believe. Do you remember?
Yes, ma'am.
22, right? Till here. Now we have already seen that Shylock is already having so many previous notions about this character, Antonio. In short, he does not think good about him as he does not like him. Reason being, he is very generous. He also helps people like Shylock. But even if he's helping, who is he? Antonio. Even if he's helping people by money monetarily, then too he never charges the interest. He just gives them money as if you are donating, as if you are doing her help as charity. ये चीज शैलॉक को बहुत खराब लगती है दैट he never matlab in a way he is just mocking me that I'm also helping people. I also lend money to people, but I never lend them for free. I take good interest on it. And unlike me, he's just speaking bad about me, and he's doing good, he's not doing anything good. So whatever Antonio is doing, he has extreme hatred for him. And now it is a very good chance for Shylock to take revenge, right? But he's not revealing that. Okay, so I'm not asking as a friend, this is business. I think I need to read this. Signor Antonio, many times you have called me names in public for the money I lend and the interest I charge. He's reminding him, you have done this just because I choose to use my wealth this way. Means he's saying that this is my way of doing my business. Now you need my help. You ask me for money. What should I say? I'm not asking as a friend. This is business. Antonio is replying that I'm not asking you to help me. I'm just asking you because this is a normal process to seek the money. So this is business, not friendship. And I will pay you for its use. Don't be angry with an exclamation mark. Don't be angry. I will lend you the money without interest. That is kind. Other person is replying to it. That is kind. Of course it is. Come with me to a notary and we'll make it legal. What do you mean by notary? Anybody who is online can reply me. Correct. A kind of legal agreement. है ना? The terms and conditions of that business on a document. It becomes a notary. Right? So, as a joke, if you don't repay me on the agreed day, you will give me a pound of your flesh. A pound of your flesh to be cut from whatever part of your body I wish. This is his. This is his wish. ठीक है समझ में आ रहा है All right. I'll agree to that. I'll agree to that. My ships will be in a month before the money is due. No, no, I won't hear of it. He is the witness. All right, this man, no, no, I won't hear of it. He seems to be the witness. भाई आप कोई भी लीगल कागजात साइन करते हैं इवन इफ अ पर्सन इज इफ XYZ person wants bail from court, they need witness who is giving like word for the man. So at least two people as on date, what I am aware of, two people. अगर एक आदमी को अपनी बेल करवानी है, जेल में वो बंद है या वो जेल नहीं जाना चाहता है, तो एक आदमी के लिए दो विटनेस चाहिए. Like that. So, why won't you trust me, Signor Bassanio? Why won't you trust me, Signor Bassanio? Who's asking this? Shylock. A pound, a pound of beef, a pound of beef might be worth something, but what would I gain from a pound of Antonio's flesh. सुनने में ये कितना अटपटा है, right? But he is justifying his act. If it had been a beef, I can make use of it. But what would I do of a human's flesh that is an Antonio? He's justifying. It's all right, Bassenio. Perhaps the Jew will grow kind enough to become a Christian. I will meet you at the notary's office. I still don't like it. Now, these two friends are having a talk that if this is wrong or if this is okay, we should sign the notary or not. While these things were happening, the Prince of Morocco arrived at Potia's house. I hope you won't dislike me for my dark skin. Who is talking to whom? Morocco's prince to?
Shylock.
No. Morocco's prince to Portia. Look at this illustration. Screen clear है ना आप लोगों को?
Yes, ma'am.
This man is talking to this lady, right? I come from a land that is close to the sun. I don't judge by my eyes. Whoever wins me by my father's test is fair enough to me. This is what she has to say. Thank you for that. Then lead me to the chess to try my luck. You remember what is the chess? The three small boxes, silver, golden, gray. These are the chess he is asking to. You may do that after dinner, Portia says. But did you know that you must make a promise? You must swear that if you choose wrong, you will never marry another lady. I'll swear it. So weird, no? It means he will stay unmarried for years and for good. पोटिया भी नहीं मिलेगी और किसी और से भी वो शादी नहीं कर सकता है. फनी ऑल राइट. एट द सेम टाइम इन वेनिस, ठीक इसी टाइम पे किसी दूसरी जगह में क्या हो रहा है, लाइक वेनिस में, एट द सेम टाइम इन वेनिस अ सर्वेंट ऑफ शाइलॉक्स नेम लॉन्सलॉट गोबियो, क्या लॉन्सलॉट गोबो was trying to make up his mind. So he's an aide of Shylock. Aide means AID. Aide means उसी का व्यक्ति जो उसके लिए काम करता हो, उसका परिचित, एक तरीके से उसी का the person who takes Shylock's instructions. All right, his name is Lancelot Gobo. So he's trying to make up his mind, means he's thinking about something and he is about to take a decision. Should I run away? The devil tells me to go, but my conscience tells me to stay with my master, the Jew. And who is the Jew here? Shylock. I like the devil's advice better. I'll run. मुझे भाग ही जाना चाहिए. Young man, please tell me which is the way to master Jews. It's my old blind father. I'll play a joke on him. I'll play a joke on him. Okay, the part of one's mind that can tell good from evil, help good words. All right, so now he is in a situation. He has just came across his father in the street, and what is he saying? I'll play a joke on him. Is he blind? He is. टेक द, आप लोग जो ऑनलाइन है समझ में आ रहा है बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, take the next right, then the next left, then don't take any turns at all. Can you tell me if there is a Lancelot that lives there? Acha. Okay, so do you mean young Master Lancelot? No, master, sir, but a poor man's son. His father is poor, but very honest. That Lancelot's that Lancelot's dead and gone to heaven. What? I need him in my old age. Don't you know me, father? I am your son. Okay. I can't believe it. Are you sure? Yes, I am Launcelot, the Jew's servant, the son of your wife, Marjorie. Then you are my son. Well, I have brought your master a present. Do you get along well? मतलब क्या तुम्हारे अपने मास्टर से अच्छी बनती है? Get along का यही मतलब होता है. No, I am running away. Give it to Signor Bassanio. I want to work for him. Now he wants to work for Bassanio. He does not wish to work longer now for Shylock. So who has asked whom to do what? Launcelot Gobbo asked his father that that present which he is carrying for his previous master, which is Shylock, that present should now be given to Bassanio, because now now Launcelot Gobbo wants to work for Bassanio, not Shylock. Saranch, clear hai? Just then, Bassanio and Leonardo came by. See that supper's ready at 5 o'clock, and ask Crescenio to come to my house later. What luck! Here is Bassanio now. Tell him, father. Please, sir, here is my son, a poor boy. No, no, the rich Jew's servant, but I would rather work for you. वो अपना इंट्रो दे रहा है. If you would rather work for a poor Christian than a rich Jew, I am glad to have you. So he has positively acknowledged his request. Who is he? Bassanio. As as Bassanio sent Launcelot off to Shylock's to give notice, Gratiano arrived. So यहाँ पे you can see at the back that he has instructed Launcelot, and now he is going back to Shylock with a notice, right? Now Gratiano and Bassanio are in picture. My dear friend, a favor. Let me go with you to Belmont. Belmont. जगह का नाम है. Belmont. Where Portia is actually having that whole competition. Only if you promise to change your ways. You must learn to talk less, be more quiet, gentle, polite. है ना? So, ये कौन किसको कह रहा है? Gratiano to Bassanio, right? Bassanio made a request to Gratiano, and in reply Gratiano says to Bassanio that एक ही शर्त पे, अगर तुम कम बातचीत करोगे, सभ्य रहोगे, चुप रहोगे और विनम्र रहोगे, तभी तभी मैं तुम्हें अपने साथ बेलमोंट आने की या अनुमति दे सकता हूँ. Yes, I'll be careful, but not tonight. No, tonight we'll have a party. Okay. Notice to tell one's employer that he's leaving his job. तो ये जो नोटिस इन्होंने देने के लिए भेजा, किसने? बसेनियो ने गोबो को, लॉन्सलॉट गोबो को. तो नोटिस क्या था कि भाई अब मैं आपकी नौकरी नहीं कर पाऊंगा, तो अब वो उनको इन्फॉर्म करने जा रहा है. ऑल राइट. नाउ वेल लॉन्सलॉट went back to Shylock's house. He told he told Shylock's daughter Jessica that he was leaving his job. I'm sorry you're going. Your funny ways have made this sad house better. Who is Jessica? Shylock's daughter. Here is a ducat for you. 2 रुपया करेंसी है वो वहां की. हाँ ठीक है. Here is a ducat for you. Tonight at supper you will see Lorenzo, your new master's guest. Who is informing this to Gobo? Jessica. Who is Jessica? Shylock's daughter. Who is Lorenzo? Lorenzo is one of the known people to Bassanio, Antonio, है ना? तो अब मास्टर कौन है इनका? बसेनियो. तो उनके गेस्ट कौन हुए? लोरेंजो. ठीक है. प्लीज गिव हिम दिस लेटर. डू इट सीक्रेटली. राइट. सो शी इज गिविंग दिस लेटर फॉर हुम? लोरेंजो. यही है ना इसका मतलब? You will see, Lorenzo. Please give him this letter. Do it secretly. You are such a beautiful, sweet Jew. I'm sure a Christian will marry you someday. This is the reply of Gobo. Now, when he left and Jessica was alone, I am ashamed to be my father's child, but his ways are not my ways. Such a contradiction. The daughter is so positive and the father is just a villain. If Lorenzo keeps his promise, I'll leave all this. Then I'll become a Christian and his loving wife. All right, so this is the scene. They both are a couple. Who? Jessica and Lorenzo. At that moment, Lorenzo and his friends were planning a costume party. अब यहाँ पे तो पार्टी का प्रिपरेशन चल रहा है. We can slip away to my house at supper time and put on our costumes. Okay, one of the fellows said, but we haven't arranged for torch bearers yet. Torch bearers. Servants who carry lights when their masters went out at night. भाई आपने नाइट में कहीं जाने का प्लान बनाया बट आपने टॉर्च बेयरर्स की व्यवस्था नहीं की. तो वही वो बात करें कि टॉर्च बेयरर्स का क्या फंक्शन होता है. दे कैरी टॉर्च अहेड ऑफ देयर मास्टर्स whenever they are moving out dark in night. Am I clear? It is very necessary to make you people clear, else you will lose interest. All right. So, okay. Now, just then, Launcelot came in and gave Jessica's letter to Lorenzo. Good news, I have just found a torch bearer for tonight, says Lorenzo. This arrow points to this blue man. He's Lorenzo because he's reading the letter. Yes? How could you find one torch bearer? Isn't that letter from the lovely Jessica? Yes, it is. She's running away, and we will be married tonight. Here, Launcelot, tell Jessica that I'll be there. Thank you, sir. Now I must go and ask my old master, the Jew, to dine tonight with my new master, Bassanio. तो ये नोटिस ये भी था कि भाई आपको एक तरीके से इनवाइट किया जा रहा है टू डाइन आउट फॉर टुनाइट्स डिनर विथ माय न्यू मास्टर हु इज दैट बसेनियो. सो बसेनियो और शार्लॉक का डिनर होना था. राइट. ऑल राइट. Soon Launcelot reached Shylock's house. Jessica, I'm invited to supper with the Christians. I don't want to go, but I must. Go inside, lock up the doors and windows tight. I have a feeling that something awful is going to happen. Anna, who is saying father to daughter. Father is unaware of the plans of the daughter. Shylock left for supper. देखिए सपर बेसिकली कहते हैं लाइक शाम के वक्त जो आप एक बहुत डिनर का टाइम भी नहीं होता. इट इज नॉट अ डिनर टाइम एट या काइंड ऑफ बिटवीन 6 to 7 व्हाट यू टेक है ना. डिनर आपका यूजुअली 8 to 9 के बीच में होता है या सपर कैन गो बिटवीन 5:30 to 6:30 और मे बी टिल 7. बिफोर 7 ही होता है ये. सो एंड इट इज नॉट वेरी हैवी. स्लाइट मील. Sorry, light meal, slight knee. I'm sorry I made you wait. No, sorry. Shylock left for supper. Later that night, outside Shylock's house, Lorenzo met his friends. I'm sorry I made you wait, but Jessica is coming with us. Take this, my love. It's full of gold and jewels. Who this can be? Take this, my love. It's full of gold and jewels. Yeah, she looks like the purple one. The one who's wearing a purple coat at the back. She looks like a girl, right? She's carrying a cape. Cape also on her head. है ना? Cape पहन रखा है इन्होंने एक. ये जो इन्होंने एक हुड ले रखा है ना सर पे. इसे शायद cape भी कहते हैं. All right. So she's carrying jewels box also. Okay. Yeah, she's Jessica only. Dear Lorenzo, I'm ashamed to be seen dressed this way. Okay, don't worry, my sweet. You must be my torch bearer. No one will know you. Okay, no one will know you in that outfit. तुम जिस तरीके से कपड़े पहन के आए हो इसमें कोई अंदाजा भी नहीं लगा पाएगा कि तुम मेरे टॉर्च बेयरर हो और वो टॉर्च बेयरर तुम हो, तुम यानी कि अ गर्ल एंड मे बी शैलॉक्स डॉटर, तो कोई तुम्हें पहचान नहीं पाएगा. As the young men left for Bassanio's feast, as the young men left for Bassanio's feast, Antonio hurried toward them. Quick, Grescenio, the wind has changed and you must sail for Belmont tonight. Fine, the party will go along without me. So Antonio grabbed Graciano and gave him this instruction that you leave this and you hail towards what? The ports where the ships are kept, right? Meanwhile, at Portia's house in Belmont, the Prince of Morocco was taking his chance to win Portia as his wife. Here are the chests, noble prince. I will read the writing on each one. Huh. So, everyone is having his own like intentions. Everyone wants to be Portia's husband, right? And now let's see what happens with this prince. The first of gold says, who chooses me shall gain what many men desire. Okay, so the first chest says this, chest of gold. The silver promises, who chooses me shall get as much as he deserves. And this dull lead chest, it warns, who chooses me must give and risk all he has. Three different instructions, isn't it? समझ में आ रहा है? Are you clear with what is going with every each of the chest?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so we keep it till here only, and I shall take up more in my next. Do I have another period with your batch? Fourth period.
Okay.
Fourth period, so we shall continue this है ना. CCA, the book cover design activity will take place on Saturday, day after tomorrow. So I request and encourage all of you to take active participation in it. You may make the cover design digitally, you may make it like on a sheet of page also, and you can click it picture and you can send it to your class teacher. All right, so that's all for today, second period children. I shall catch you in the next.